Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy data from one Excel sheet to another automatically. Now for us to get this done, I have this particular sheet right here. This is the B4 from sheet number 2, and what I'm going to do is head over to sheet 3, and regardless of where you want to put it, what you're going to do is head over to that particular cell, say for example A5. You're just going to go ahead and type here equals and then head over to sheet 2. You're going to copy that one or click that one and then head back to the sheet. And here, what you're going to do is instead of sheet 3, like where we are right now, you change that one to the name of that particular sheet. So in my case, since the name of this is going to be sheet 2, that's why you're seeing it. If it's from sources, you're going to change it to sources. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, and you can see that now we have copied that one. So yeah, that's how you're gonna do it. Now what if, say for example, you are using another workbook. Now I am in workbook number 2, and say for example I want to paste it here. What I'm going to do is head over here and type equals to the formula, head over to that particular Excel sheet, and then you're gonna click that one. Now you head back to workbook 2, and all you have to do here is just hit enter, and you can see that now we have the formula copied already. So yeah, that is the easiest way in order for us to copy data from one Excel sheet to another automatically.